Tired of feeling bloated all the time? Let's uncover the uncomfortable truth about bloating. This is a common issue, so common in fact, that it's become a part of many people's daily lives. But let's get one thing straight. While bloating may be common, it's not normal to feel like a balloon ready to pop all the time. Most of us have experienced the discomfort that comes with bloating. That swollen, gassy, stuffed feeling that makes your clothes feel tight and your belly look distended. It's usually caused by overeating, consuming gas-producing foods, or having certain gastrointestinal disorders. Bloating is more than just an inconvenience, it can significantly impact your quality of life. It can make you feel sluggish, uncomfortable, and even affect your self-esteem. But here's the good news. Bloating isn't something you just have to live with. Don't fret just yet. There are scientifically proven ways to combat this uncomfortable sensation. Ever wondered why your belly bloats? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of gastroenterology and understand the science behind bloating. Simply put, bloating is the result of excess gas in your digestive system. This gas is a natural byproduct of digestion, produced when your gut bacteria break down food. Certain foods like beans, lentils, broccoli, cabbage, onions, and fizzy drinks are notorious for increasing gas production. They contain high amounts of complex sugars that our bodies struggle to digest. As a result, these sugars make their way to our large intestine, where they're feasted on by gut bacteria, leading to increased gas production. Moreover, habits such as eating too quickly, drinking through a straw, or chewing gum can cause you to swallow more air than normal, contributing to that inflated feeling. Interestingly, our gut bacteria play a crucial role in this process. A healthy gut flora helps keep gas production in check, while an imbalance can lead to excess gas and bloating. Now that we know what causes bloating, let's explore how to prevent it. Ready to say goodbye to that bloated belly? Let's dive into some scientifically proven methods to prevent bloating. First off, consider the pace of your eating. Slow and steady wins the race. Eating too quickly can cause you to swallow air, which can lead to bloating. Next, be mindful of gas-producing foods. Common culprits include beans, broccoli, onions, and carbonated drinks. These can cause bloating, so you might want to limit them in your diet. Thirdly, don't skimp on water. Staying hydrated is essential for a healthy digestive system. It helps to keep things moving along and prevents constipation, which can cause bloating. Finally, incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Regular exercise helps stimulate the muscles that aid in digestion, reducing the chances of bloating. Balancing your diet and maintaining regular exercise are key in maintaining a healthy digestive system and keeping bloating at bay. Remember, these changes won't happen overnight, but consistency is the key. So, what have we learned about bloating? We've unpacked the uncomfortable truth. It's not just about overeating or consuming gas-producing foods. Bloating can also be a signal from your body that it's wrestling with food intolerances, hormonal fluctuations, or even stress. We've dived into the science behind it, and it's clear that the body's complex digestive system plays a vital role. With a myriad of factors at play, it's essential to listen to your body and understand what triggers your bloating. But the good news is, we've also explored proven ways to beat the bloat. Remember, hydration is key. Regular exercise aids digestion, and mindful eating can make a world of difference. Incorporating probiotics into your diet can also help maintain a healthy gut. Imagine a life free from the discomfort of bloating, where you can enjoy your favorite meals without the worry. It's entirely possible with a few simple lifestyle changes. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a bloat-free bliss. Here's to a healthier, happier you.